Hey, getting ready for your big day tonight? You're just about to change your clothes? Okay, I'll leave you alone then, but before that, can I show you a magic trick? Yeah, I know it's really out of nowhere, but I just learned it today and I've been dying to try it on someone. Do you wanna be my first guest? I promise it'll be quick. No, I'm not letting you get ready before you let me show you the magic trick. Either let me do that, or I'm just simply not moving from this exact spot. I knew you'd be smart enough to comply. I'll get into the room now. Okay, are you ready? This is gonna be really good. Stick your hands out. Okay, ready? I'll make something appear on your hands when I remove this towel. Nothing permanent. Don't worry. And voila! You've been handcuffed. Congratulations. Do you like it? How I managed to sneak them in? That's the magic part, and a magician never reveals his secrets. Remove them? What do you mean remove them? Did you really think that I'd handcuff you just to let you go again? Right before a date? I don't think so. Yeah, I am crazy. Crazy in love with you. You heard me. I'm crazy in love with you. Madly in love with you. I'd move mountains for you. And I sure as heck am not letting you go to someone else and have them steal you from me. Talk about it. I mean, yeah, we're talking about it right now. Wait, why are you scared? Do you seriously think I'm going to hurt you? No, I can't believe that's what you think about me. I'm not a bad or evil person, baby. I could never hurt the person I love the most on this planet. The person that's trying to steal you from me, maybe, but that's a whole different story. But you, not you, never you. I'm not really stopping you from going, you know. You can just walk out the door like nothing's there. Oh yeah, you'd be stuck with me and you can't really walk around like that, can you? Well, too bad because I have no idea where the key is. Maybe try breaking them? You're right, there is no way you could break those on your own. It looks like you're stuck here to me. What? Are you going to call the police on me? What are you going to say? 911 please and help, my roommate handcuffed me because he loves me too much. Do you know what they'll start thinking? They won't take you seriously. Maybe they'll even give you a fine for prank calling them and wasting their time. Not even the law enforcement can take you away from me, you know. Sure, go ahead. Call your date, tell them I'm here. I can't promise you they'll ever leave this apartment alive though. Oh, I'm very much serious. I've always been serious about you. I gave you so many hints that I was into you. No, not just into you, but that I love you, and you ignored them all. Come on, reject me already so I can be heartbroken for a few years and we can be done with this. I said I love you so many times, and you even said it back too, and you still decided to go on a date with someone else? You meant it as a friend? A friend? Really? Friends don't say I love you to each other every day. Friends don't snuggle when they're watching movies or cuddle to sleep when they're scared or sad. That's not friendship behavior. And even if it is started as friendly, can you really blame me for developing these huge feelings for you? I I can't let them take you away from me. I can't let them take all of this away from me. Of course I mean everything I just said. Do you really think I'd pull all of this off as a joke? I'm actively, physically trying to prevent you from going out with him or her. Not that it really matters to me because there's only me now. Me. You hear me? Just, if you want me to uncuff you, just tell me you don't feel the same way about me. Put me out of my misery already. I'm sick of being jealous and sad every day because of you. What did you say? No. Say it again, I want to make sure I heard it right. You like me? You actually like me? Are you saying this just so I can release you and you can run off? If you want to go, you just need to tell me the opposite thing. I told you I'd never hurt the person I love. So, you really did mean it. I know you probably want me to remove the handcuffs, but I'm so scared you'll somehow run off without them. Can we keep them on? Can we keep them on just for tonight? I can loosen them if they're too tight. Well, do you wanna watch a movie and cuddle like we usually do? Don't worry about your date. I texted them and told them you never want to see them again. Sorry. Okay, let's go.